Agile Transformation. What Agile Transformation really means. Agile Transformation is an organization-wide change in how value is discovered and delivered, especially when uncertainty is high. It is not about adding more Agile activity. It changes decision system constraints and feedback loops so teams can learn faster, reduce delays, and deliver useful outcomes more often. The goal is better flow, quality, and customer impact, not compliance with the process. What must evolve together for it to work? Transformation only works when several parts of the system evolve together. Mindset and culture need to shift toward trust, transparency, ownership, and learning from evidence. Leadership has to move from directing work to shaping conditions, while teams need real decision rights within clear constraints. Coaching builds capability through practice and feedback, and change management supports alignment and learning instead of ritual policing. How Agile Transformation usually progresses. It usually starts with an evidence-based baseline, using signals like lead time, cues, rework, incidents, and customer outcomes to find the main constraint. Then the organization defines outcome goals and a few testable hypotheses about what should improve. Small pilot experiments make learning faster and safer, and what works can then be expanded while removing broader bottlenecks in governance, architecture, funding, and dependencies. Over time, continuous improvement becomes part of normal governance. The principles that guide real change. Real transformation is guided by principles, not by recipe. Outcomes matter more than output, so decisions should be based on measurable impact rather than activity volume. Small experiments and short feedback loops reduce risk and help teams learn fast. Transparency makes work, flow, and risk visible. Customer evidence helps steer priorities, and systems thinking keeps the focus on improving the whole value stream, not isolated parts. Operating model shifts and useful evidence. Agile transformation often requires operating model changes beyond the team level. Organizations move from projects to long-lived products or value streams, from local utilization to end-to-end flow, and from siloed functions to cross-functional team design that reduces waiting and rework. Roadmaps should be treated as hypotheses to refine with delivery and customer data. Metrics also matter, but only when they support learning, expose constraints, and improve decisions rather than becoming status reporting. Common pitfalls and fake change patterns. Many transformations fail because they change visible rituals while keeping the old control system underneath. That includes mandating frameworks everywhere, improving only local team practices while the wider system still creates delay, and using metrics to rank teams instead of learning from them. Chasing maturity scores has the same problem. It measures appearance more than outcomes. Real change starts by making intent explicit, exposing the value stream, reducing batching and work in progress, and adapting based on evidence. Learn more on agilesm.net.